friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I'm Holly, and today I'm sharing with you a very quick and small Walmart grocery haul. So today I have some halos. These are a great little snack to have. Also some ambrosia apples, some bananas. I don't know about y'all, but ours are still, when you get them, they're totally green. Takes a little while for them to ripen. Some sweet onions, some bow tie pasta, creamy garlic pasta. These are really good. I think these used to be like the Shell's garlic pasta, but they changed, I think, the little spiral pasta instead. Some 7-Up Zero Sugar, always in my hauls. Low sodium vegetable juice, which is the V8 juice. Some Barilla Shell's pasta for a recipe. Some Nature's Bakery. This is gluten-free fig bar. I just picked it because it was sort of low in points for Weight Watchers. But then I realized it wasn't. But I have them, so I'm still gonna eat them. Some stevia in the raw for my coffee. Dijon mustard. Some Prego roasted garlic and herb pasta sauce. Some Red Gold crushed tomatoes. Contadina tomato sauce. A white cake mix. Also the Betty Crocker whipped cream cheese frosting. I was gonna try to make a mascarpone cheese frosting for a Easter recipe I'm gonna do, but I could not find the mascarpone cheese anywhere. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and use this frosting instead. Also some pure vanilla extract, some cafe latte, that's the Premier Protein. I use that in my coffee as a creamer. And if you've never tried the G. Hughes's sugar-free products, you should try them. They're really good. And this one is the sugar-free sweet vinaigrette salad dressing and the sugar-free honey Dijon dressing. So really like those for my salads. And the Classico traditional basil pesto. These are some non-food items. So this is Ollie, and that's the Daily Energy. I'm trying to get some more B12 in my diet. This has the hyaluronic acid, collagen, and sea buckthorn in it, so it helps to hydrate your skin. Also, Downy Rinse and Refresh. I love using that in my laundry. If you've not tried that one, you should give it a try. It does help get odors out of like pet bedding, your cleaning cloths, things like that. Some Equate. This is just like the Excedrin, so I always get that, have that on hand. Some cinnamon supplements. The TP. I have some Bounty napkins, some 409 cleaning spray, Endust. I used to like the Pledge, but I've kind of switched over to the Endust. I find it works a little bit better. Some odor blasters, that's the Arm & Hammer for the laundry, and that's really good as well, for getting odors out of your clothing and things like that. Some Dawn Platinum. This is really good dishwashing liquid. I always use Dawn. I think it's great for grease and things like that. M&M's, so trying to pick up some things for Easter, but also for a Easter collab I'm gonna do. So these are the M&M's Easter, the Cadbury mini eggs. These are really, really good. We love those. Some black licorice jelly beans. I know that's controversial. Not everybody likes licorice or anything, but those are really good. Some Premier white morsels, so chocolate chips for a recipe as well. And then I also have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost cleanser for your face. Some micellar cleansing water, so I like this one. And some krill oil. Also, I think in January it was, I had a laser surgery done on my eye. I just had a small hole that they repaired, but when they did that, that's when I realized I had severe dry eyes. So I've been trying different things to help with that. So I started using this, and it's a lid scrub. You just wipe it over the lid of your eyes, on both eyes, and this has helped a lot. So if you have dry eyes, you may want to try this and see if it helps you. I know it's helped me. It may or may not help you, but I know what it's like, you know, trying to find different products that will, you know, help the dry eye. And then I got this cute little pajama set for my grandson. And this was only $9.98. So you get the little bottoms and the top. So I think that's really cute for Easter with the Peeps and everything. The Peeps seem to be the thing this year. So, but that is everything that I got for this small grocery haul for Walmart. And also, no, I did forget one thing, the lemon pudding mix. So that is also for a recipe that I'm going to do for Easter. So completely forgot I had that. But that is everything that I had for this haul. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.